guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I have today an item from GOOLOO. This is a GOOLOO 2000 amp power pack battery jump starter. I've got a bunch of these, and these things are great because, as you guys know from maybe in the past 5 or 10 years or so, if you had a bad battery in your car and you couldn't start it anymore, you left the doors open at night, and then in the morning when you went to school or went to work, your car wouldn't start because your battery was drained from the dome light being on, or you just had a weak battery. Normally people probably would have bought something like this. Costs about $80 to $100. They only last maybe 2 or 3 years, and they're big and bulky and require recharging on a regular basis. Well, nowadays things are so small and compact. It comes in a nice carrying case. It's the size of probably, a large cell phone, Comes with jumper cables and a module. These are smart modules so that when you plug it in, there's no way that you could plug it on incorrectly. So if you plug the positive on the negative or the negative on the positive, it's not going to short circuit because it has a circuit breaker, a smart connection module. You could also use this as a power bank as well. Here's the GOOLOO power pack right here. And you can plug this in if you have to use maybe a tire inflator that requires a cigarette lighter. And also it has a USB-C charging cable so that you can charge your cell phone if your battery is low. So this is a power pack and a jump starter all in one. Also, if you turn the power on, it'll tell you that it has their power battery life in there, and it shows 3 bars out of 4, so it could use a recharge from shipping. You keep your finger on it for 3 seconds and the light goes on. There's an LED light so that you can see what you're doing at night. Also, you tap it again and it blinks, so that if you have to change your tire on the highway or something, you put this on the ground so another car knows you're there and won't run into you. You tap it again and it has the universal SOS signal, ... for save our souls. Has 2 USB charging ports so you can charge your electronics such as your iPad or your iPhone or whatever, and your USB-C input for whether or not you want to recharge this. You plug it into the USB port to charge. Obviously this comes with a nice convenient nylon carrying case. You just put everything in here. Also with the USB port, it also comes with your little brick here where you can plug your USB C cable, and you can recharge your product right here, which it needs at least 1 more bar. Over here the rubber grommet comes off, and this is the area where you would plug in your power cable module. It can only go in one way, and as you can see, it's plugged in now with 3 bars. So you would just attach this onto your battery.
You have to look at the battery, positive and negative. Connect it here. Alright, so that's what happened. So light is green, lights.
And it'll start your car. Very easy. And you can't put it on wrong because it's protected. GOOLOO Titan Series GP2000. Here's the outlet you would plug in for your cigarette lighter products. And this thing actually can start a car up to 9-liter gas engine cars or diesel trucks. So I know it looks like it's just a small little pack, right? But believe me, these things can really pack a punch in a small package, and it does work. I couldn't believe it a long time ago when I had these, but it starts up your car in no time. It really is a very useful item to have. If you're interested in one of these things, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested, and it really is something that you need to just get, leave it in the glove compartment of your car or your trunk, and whenever you're in a bind, you have everything you need right here, whether it's to charge up your phone or to get going again in your car. Thanks all for joining me on this weekend product review of another jump starter from GOOLOO. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.